Hey guys, my group members are Uri Adam, Ben, Ming, Li Lian, Fizzah, and of course myself. The TVC that we have chosen is going to be about Beats headphones, and the objective of this TVC is of course to promote the branding of the headphones and the sound quality. Makeup that we've chosen is just the basic makeup foundation, and for some girls, we are going to use light eye makeup. The wardrobe for this TVC would also be very casual because the target audience for this TVC is to grab the attention of the youth. Moving on to our storyboard, each shot is going to be about 5 seconds, and this first shot is showing a group of students with a wide medium shot outside the university library, and a few friends are giving their own opinions about a topic to this girl, and this girl is really confused because all of them are talking to her in one go. And the place is going to be quite rowdy, quite noisy, because it's outside the library where there's a lot of passersby and there's a lot of people discussing things, and to add to that, there's going to be her friends like telling her things. The next shot will show a medium close-up and we're going to use an inaudible chatter for her friends' and then the voices. Chatter from the friends and the background noise and all of that, it all just becomes silent. The next shot is going to be a new scene showing a high-angle wide shot of a noisy classroom. This shot is so that we can see all the people like moving about and making a lot of noise. And there'll be this one boy who's like sitting there and trying to get some peace and quiet or trying to do his work. And he's quite annoyed because everyone's so noisy and he can't concentrate. In this shot, the students will be moving about, but then the boy, he'll be quite still to show a contrast and like focus more on the boy rather than just the whole classroom itself. Now the next shot will show the character, which is the boy, wearing the Beats headphones to drown out the classroom noise, and with this shot we will use a medium close-up from the side to show the brand. Moving on to a new scene, it's going to be a two-shot of a couple in a house, and the boyfriend is nagging at the girlfriend for once instead of the other way around. And the girlfriend is trying to ignore the boy because she doesn't want to hear all of his like nonsense lah. And then in the next shot, the nagging gets too much for the girl, and it's going to be a close-up shot of her putting on the headphones, and then the nagging will go silent and the girl smiles. The next shot is going to also be a two-shot, but this time it's going to be the mother nagging at the guy because of something he did, obviously, and then he gets irritated because he's trying to read something and then his mom is like nagging him, so he wants to like get an escape. The next shot will be a medium close-up shot of him wearing the headphones, and then the mom's nagging goes silent, and then he continues reading his book. This is the last scene. It's going to show a noisy eatery, which is our son. It's going to be shown in a long wide shot, which will be used to portray the buzzing of people, and there's going to be this group of friends, and two of them are fighting over something, whereas one is having a bad day and he doesn't want to tolerate any of their nonsense. The next shot, of course, will show him putting on the headphones lah, and then he will continue eating happily, and then his friends are like really fighting to the extreme until one of them pushes the other one. We will use a medium shot for this to portray all three of them, and at the end of the shot, we will use a fade out to black effect. The ending shot will be a fade in of the brand name, Beats, to enhance or reinforce the whole purpose of the TVC.